Magixx here with a song called Shaye. And this one is a short one. This is one of those songs we have one chord progression through the entire song with one strumming only. So that will be fine for us. Let's start with this one. No need for any capo on this. 4 chords. So let's go over the chords. We have first the A sharp, and I have the A sharp like this, so that will actually be an A sharp sus2. That works well for the song, and it's a lot easier than the real A sharp, which is like this. So we just have these fingers included. That will be a bar here on the first fret from the A string and down. So 5 strings from bottom up. And then you add 3rd on D and 3rd on G. So that's the A sharp chord. Next will be the F. So bar here, still on the first fret, this time all strings. And the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have D minor next. So an open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And the final chord will be C. Alright, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. So that will go in this order through the entire song: A sharp, F, D minor, and C. Okay, so let's look at the strumming pattern here. Let's start with the A sharp chord, since that's the first one. One round will sound like this. Alright, so that is down, down, up, clap, down, down, down. Down, down, up, clap, down, down, down. That's the round. So again. Down, down, up, clap, down, down, down. Down, down, up, clap, down, down, down. Okay? So that will be one round, and you're gonna play one strum round per chord. So in a context with the chord progression, it will sound like this, a little bit slower, and then I'm gonna speed it up to standard tempo. That pretty much covers Magixx, Shaye. So thank you for watching this, guys. I love to do tutorials. So yeah, you could always support me, leave a comment, thumb up, and subscribe. That will be great. So thank you for watching, guys, and play tuned.